Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Time. So starting with the next topic, that is addition of fractions. If you have not watched my previous video of introduction of fractions, I would add the link in the description box. You can go through it and you can get the overview of what are fractions, what are the different kinds of fractions, how to convert a proper fraction into mixed fraction, etc. So starting with the next topic, additions of fraction. Our first example is 2 upon 9 plus 5 upon 9. How we'll add these two numbers? These are like fractions. Like fractions means in which the denominator is same, 9. So in such kind of fraction we only have to add the numerator. Means 2 plus 5 and divided by 9 because the denominator is same. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 and the denominator 9. So answer is 7 upon 9. Same next example, 8 upon 15 plus 6 upon 15. The denominator here is also same, 15. So we'll put 15 in the denominator and add 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14 upon denominator 15. Now these are the most easiest kind of questions where the denominator is same. But if the denominator is not same, then what we will do? So we see the next example, 3 upon 10 plus 8 upon 15. Here the denominator is 10 and the next one the denominator is 15. So first we'll take the LCM of the denominators 10 and 15. How we'll take the LCM? 10 and 15. So we'll divide by 5. 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. Why we'll divide by 5? Because 10 and 15 both are divisible by 5. So first we always see a smallest number that can divide both the numbers. If there is no number possible, then we'll individually divide. So first we'll see the smallest number, that is 5. 5 divides both the numbers 10 and 15. Then the answer comes 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Now 2 and 3. Now there is no number which divide 2 and 3 both simultaneously. So first we'll divide by 2, 2 1s are 2, and then we'll keep 3 as it is. Then we'll divide by 3, 3 1s are 3. So for finding LCM, we have to multiply all these numbers. Like 5 into 2 into 3. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. The answer is 30. Now the LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. So the LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. Now we'll divide this denominator with the LCM. 10 3s are 30. 3, and we'll multiply this 3 by the numerator. So 3 into 3. Okay, remember the step. First we'll divide the denominator with the LCM. 15 2s are 30. And then we'll multiply it by numerator. Okay, so 15 2s are 30 and multiply it by numerator into 8. And the plus sign remains same, the plus sign. So 3 3s are 9, 8 2s are 16 upon 30. 9 plus 16 is equal to 25 divided by 30. We can also write it as 5 by 6. Why? It is a simplified form of 25 upon 30, that is 5 by 6. Why? Because 25 and 30 both are divisible by 5. So 5 5s are 25 and 5 6 are 30. Okay, so that is equal to 5 upon 6. Is 13 upon 14 plus 27 upon 35. Here also the denominators are different, 14 and 35. Now first we'll take the LCM of both the denominators, 14 and 35. So the LCM would be 7 2s are 14 and 7 5s are 35. We'll see the smallest number that these both numbers are divisible by. Then 2 and 5. There is no number by which both the numbers are divisible. So first we'll divide by 2, 2 1s are 2, and then we'll divide by 5, 5 1s are 5. 7 2s are 14 into 5, that is 70. So the LCM of both the numbers is 70. Now firstly we'll divide the denominator. We'll divide the LCM with the denominator. Means LCM is 70, so we'll divide 70 with the denominator 14. The answer is 5, and then we'll multiply it by numerator. So 14 5s are 70, 5 into the numerator 13. 35 2s are 70 and multiply it by numerator, that is 27. Remember these steps, these are very two mistakes here only. 70 divided by 14, that is 5 into 13. 70 divided by 35, that is 2 into 27. Okay, then 5 into 13, 65, and 2 into 27, 54. Divided by 70. Now 65 plus 54 is equal to 119 and divided by 70. So the answer would become 119 upon 70. So these are the basic two kinds of addition. First one is of like fractions and second one is of unlike fraction. Now moving to subtraction part. So a first example consists of like subtraction. There is like fractions because the denominators are same, 9 and 9. So 7 upon 9 minus 5 upon 9. Here we only subtract from numerators. So 7 minus 5 is equal to 2 upon 9. Next one is 18 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5. So 18 minus 2 is equal to 16 upon 5. So like subtractions are also very easy, just like additions. Now coming to unlike subtraction, where the denominators are not same. So here also we'll first take the LCM of 16 and 12. 16 and 12. 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Now 4 and 3, 4 1s are 4, 3 as it is, because 4 and 3 are not divisible by a same number. 3 1s are 3. We'll multiply all these numbers, 2 into 2 into 4 into 3. The answer is 48. So here the answer is 48. Now first we'll divide this LCM by the denominator. So 16 3s are 48 and we'll multiply it by the numerator. 3 into 13, the numerator of this fraction. Okay. Now we'll divide the LCM by this. So 48 divided by 12 is 4 and 4 is multiplied by the numerator, that is 7. And the subtraction sign between these two remains same. So 3 into 13 minus 4 into 7. How we'll calculate this? First multiply these two. 3 into 13, that is 39, minus 7 into 4, that is 28 upon 48. So 39 minus 28 is equal to 11 upon 48. This is just similar to addition, only the difference is of plus sign. Moving to our next example. 11 upon 15 minus 9 upon 20. First we have to find the LCM of 15 and 20. 15 and 20. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. 3 1s are 3 and then 4, because 3 and 4 are not divisible by the same number. Then 1 is there and 4 1s are 4. So 5 into 3 into 4. The answer is 60. Now we'll put 60 here. First we'll divide this LCM by this denominator. So 15 4s are 60 into 11. 20 3s are 60 into 9. 4 into 11, that is 44, minus 9 into 3, that is 27 upon 60. So 44 minus 27, that is 17 upon 60. So with this we have completed the addition and subtractions of fraction. Now we'll see some sample problems based on addition and subtraction both. So now we are starting with sample problems of both addition as well as subtraction. So the first problem is 5 upon 9 minus 7 upon 12 plus 1 upon 2. So firstly we'll take the LCM of 9, 12 and 2. So the LCM of 9, 12 and 2 6 are 12 and 2 1s are 2. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Then 2 1s are 2 and 3 1s are 3. So we'll multiply 2 into 3 into 2 into 3, that is 36. So the LCM of 9, 12 and 2 is 36. So firstly we'll divide this LCM by the denominator. Dividing 36 by 9 is 4. Then this 4 should be multiplied by numerator, 4 into 5. Then we'll divide 36 by 12. 12 3s are 36 into 7. Then we'll divide 36 by 2. 36 divided by 2 is 18. 18 into 1. So 5 4s are 20, 7 3s are 21 plus 18. 20 minus 21 plus 18. That is, first we'll add these two with same sign. So it would be 38 minus 21. That is, the answer is 17 upon 36. Similarly, the next problem is of mixed fraction. So firstly we'll convert this mixed fraction into normal fractions. How we'll convert? 3 into 10. 3 into 10 plus 3. So that would be 33 upon 10, and this 15 ones are 15 plus 7. 15 ones are 15 plus 7 upon 15, that is 22 upon 15. Now we'll do 33 upon 10 minus 22 upon 15. Then we'll take the LCM of 10 and 15. So the LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 2 1s are 2 and 3 1s are 3. So 5 into 2 into 3, that is 30. So we'll take the LCM as 30. 15 and 10, that is LCM is 30. So 10 3s are 30, 3 into numerator, that is 33. Then we'll divide 30 by 15, the answer is 2. Then we'll multiply this 2 with the numerator, so 2 into 22. Now 33 into 3, that is 99, minus 22 into 2, that is 44. So 99 minus 44 is 55, 55 upon 30 would be the answer. So in this way, we can easily find the addition and subtraction of mixed fraction as well. First, simply convert the mixed fraction into normal fractions, and then do the addition and subtraction of these fractions. Now we'll solve a word problem on the addition and subtraction of these fractions. So the word problem is: a rectangular sheet of paper is 15 3/4 cm long and 12 1/2 cm wide. Find its perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all the sides. Means we'll add this plus this plus this and this. This is known as parameters. So what is the length? Length is 15 3/4, and what is the breadth? Breadth is 12 1/2. Since it is a rectangle, it is given a rectangular shape. So what is the property of rectangle? This length is equal to this length. This is the property of rectangle that we should know. So this length should be equal to this length, and this breadth should be equal to this breadth. So it would be length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. So the length is 15 3/4, the breadth is 12 1/2. This is also 15 3/4, and this is also 12 1/2. So 15 3/4 plus 12 1/2 plus 15 3/4 plus 12 1/2. So here it comes the equation of perimeter. Now since these are mixed fractions, so first we have to convert all these fractions into normal fractions. How we'll do that? 15 into 4 plus 3, that is 63. 12 into 2, that is 24 plus 1, 25/2. 15 4s are 60 plus 3, 63. And 12 2s are 24 plus 1, 25, 25/2. Now you're seeing that this and this are repeated 2 times, and this is also repeated 2 times. So what we can write? We can write 2 into 63/4 plus 2 into 25/2 and take the 2 common. Okay. So when 2 is taken common, only thing is left, that is 63/4 plus 25/2. Now since it is unlike fraction, means denominators are different, first we'll take the LCM. So 4 and 2 LCM is 4. So 4 we'll divide with 4, that is 1. Then 1 into 63, that is 63. 4 divided by 2, that is 2. 2 into 25, and the 2 outside would be as it is. So 2 into 63 plus 25 2s are 50/4. 63 plus 50 is 113/4. So 2 into 113/4. We can cancel this 2 with this 4. So 2 2s are 4. Okay, so the answer here would be remain 113/2 centimeters. So I hope now you're clear with addition, subtraction and of fractions, and you can solve these kind of word problems easily. So if you have not liked my channel, please go and like, share and subscribe it. Thank you.